And a package in a pear tree.
Okay.
Oh, I love you too, even you stare at the camera when you say that.
I love you. I know I didn't, hon. Oh, sis Vicky, you sent me a cell phone. She sent me a cell phone. I'm just kidding. Hi guys, good morning. I know I haven't vlogged yesterday, guys, but yeah, I haven't vlogged yesterday, and I'm just going to, anong tawag nito? I'm just going to pick up my mother-in-law. I'm going there early. I need to catch up Tammy for oil change for the white car, guys. So anyway, guys, I will see you when I get to the other house, I guess. Yeah, I'll see you when I get there. I'm not gonna vlog in the car. I'm just going to enjoy the ride with my music, and that's it, guys. So anyway, I'll see you later with Tommy and my mother-in-law later too. So you know what, guys, it's cold outside, so I'm wearing black sweater for now. Later on it's gonna be hot from here, guys. Okay, let me open the door. Oh, still here?
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm very sleepy still, guys. Last night I haven't really slept really good because of your two kids keep yapping, never ending yapping. I don't know what's the problem, but they just keep yapping.
Puppies?
Yeah, the two of them. It's like I'm looking at the time, 2 o'clock.
Probably something in the yard.
Never ending yapping. I said, oh my god.
Some animal in the yard.
And I forgot to close the window last night. And that's why maybe they're hearing everything outside. Yes. And Habs also is with me. So because the dog just keep yapping, he wanna come down too, and want to know, be nosy.
He must be one of the puppies.
And then 3 o'clock he came back. He's really quick. He came back, meow meow meow, and he slept with me until morning. And he's needing.
He went pee pee when he was out.
He went like.
Otherwise he would woke you up again at 4.
He went like in my armpits, in my face. I said, I don't care, Habs, go ahead, sleep on my face. I don't care if it's going to itchy. And they say, oh, itchy, and then I just rub my face to clean it up because
It's like just, there's something about people.
no, let them go.
Come on. Yeah, he was in front of me. He didn't want to be behind the bus, so he figured he'd go around, knowing full well this lane is dead from this crane.
That's scary.
It's
Oh,
like a moron.
the gas over there is high.
Yeah.
It's how much? Is 265 to 59.
271 with credit.
260, 259 over there.
259 over there?
Yeah.
Wow.
I just got gas this morning.
Let's go to Texas to
Yeah.
jacking it around.
Yeah. So I know. The news is telling you about gas too because of what happened over there.
Yeah, which is all bullshit because actually oil prices went down.
Okay, so speaking.
So they're just using that as an excuse to raise gas prices. Oil prices went down, so it's all bullshit.
I like this. I don't know how much is this.
So they're around about
25 bucks. Oh, this is the only. Oh, they have a cell phone holder over here. This is where you get your cell phone holder, right? They have a camera for the car, really. Look, camera for the car.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Yeah.
It's 35 bucks. That's nice. A what?
It does say high def, but
Yeah, I don't
it
think.
says HD, but
It's not gonna be like this clear, huh?
no.
Different kind of stuff. Oh, they have a cell phone holder here. 11 bucks. Chicharon. Chicharon. Frisca, spicy and lemon. Oh, nako. Organic yellow corn.
Sriracha.
Huh?
Sriracha.
Sriracha. It's gonna be spicy. There's car wash. We cannot car wash because every time you do change oil change here, guys, you have a free car wash. and we don't have time for that. I think Tommy is gonna be late to work. That's really expensive, guys, for this car oil change. It's 85 bucks, and then it's quicker. Tommy said he can do it himself.
Well, I always did my Toyota. Like I said, this Toyota, I just stopped doing it because I couldn't get the right information from the auto parts store. So every time I bought stuff, it was the wrong stuff. So Toyota like screwed that up somehow.
So that's why.
So I mean, it sucks when you keep going into the car, take everything apart, and then find out you don't have any of the right stuff.
But you know already what to use, right? People have that roller thing to go under.
Yeah.
Roll yourself that you don't have to hurt your back. Yeah. I need to eat something. Stay.
Yeah, guys, gonna sit there and block all the cars coming.
Veggies? Are you freaking serious? There's so many food from. What is this? Thick chicken with pork?
What?
I don't know what you write, hon.
Everything. Chicken and broccoli, chicken and mushrooms. Teriyaki chicken with pork.
Guys, we're gonna have lunch. This is what I'm having. Lo mein, broccoli, chicken. I think they're both chicken. And this is the steak. Steak. And Tommy have the one that I made that they don't even eat, the eggplant farm, which is really good. I'm gonna plan to make it again, guys, because that was really good. It's good. So good. It's not hot. That's okay.
You didn't heat it.
I like that ShopRite, the way they do their food. They have their Asian, they have the American food, the Asian sushi. I got a package from.
And a package in a pear tree.
Okay. I got a package from. Do you know where it is?
Amazon Prime.
I know from. Yeah, I will let you know.
Hold on.
Guys, these packages that they sent me is free. So, but I will tell you what I think about the product after using it. Well, after trying it, I will let you know. They give this to me for free, and this is like, you know, free stuff. Ah, this is the one that for legs.
You got the wrong color.
Huh?
The wrong one.
No, this is the one. Yeah, it's for the leg and for the neck.
Not for the legs. It's the wrong one. I'm telling you.
Okay. Whatever. I can still. You can still use it.
You could put it in a car for your way back.
And neck pillow seat. So I can try this on the way home later. Yeah, so yeah, I will let you know, guys, if this product, you know, if I don't know, I will let you try this too also, hon. Okay, bye. Give me a kiss. Did you lock the car?
I'll close your trunk. Love you, on. Talk to you later. Let me know when you guys head out.
I love you so much.
I love you too, even you stare at the camera when you say that.
I love you so much. I know I didn't, hon. I didn't.
You want to play it back?
No, honey, I didn't. Come here, give me a kiss. Another one. Another one here. I'm taller over here.
Yeah, okay.
I love you.
I watch your eyes, huh? You're looking at yourself in the camera. What are you kidding?
I love you.
I love you too.
You are the best husband, you know. I'll go this way. Oh, this car is so dirty.
Ice water.
I cannot wait to drive this. Oh, look at that, hon.
Yeah, that happens all the time. I eat. I should have got ice water. Here.
You want me to drip something water here?
Here.
Oh, this is not open. Yeah, just
you
do
gotta put ice and then cold water in.
Let's see. Ice and cold water.
Yeah.
Don't move the car. Oh, the camera.
Yeah,
off.
I'm not moving.
Turn it on.
It's not gonna vibrate that much.
How did you drink this? Oh, you have to open this up. See bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, Han.
Bye, guys.
See you Monday, guys, with Tommy. No, Tommy will see you Monday. Anyway. Hi, guys. I am back. And then I get a package, guys. Oh, my God. I know this from... This is from my viewer. One of my viewer from Connecticut. Hi, Sis Vic. Oh, my God. Ba't nag-abala ka pa, sis? Oy. Thank you so much for sending me. You don't really have to do this. Oh my God. Oh, Sis Vicky, you sent me a cell phone. She sent me a cell phone. I'm just kidding. Let me look. There's something inside it. It's not a cell phone, guys. Lonely gaya, oh gilet mo, miss na miss kita. That's my father saying that in my previous vlog. You guys seen it? My father is singing. I don't have much video. I don't have more video of my father, guys, singing. But I found that one. I like it. I said, oh, I found this video. I'm gonna add it on my vlog. And yeah, so I added it there. In Magical Rejuvenating Seat Kit number 1. Oh my God. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for sending this. Thank you. And what I'm gonna do, I will text you and I will ask you how to do this. Well, there is an instruction over here. Thank you, sis. I have your address over here. I wanna keep it. Let me see. Okay, it's right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep it because just in case I'm gonna go over into your house and I'm gonna... Ay, naku, sis. Naku lagi. And yeah, I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Anyway, I was sitting down there and I just kind of like... Okay, it's 1:30 already. I guess I'm gonna go. Even though she doesn't call me yet, I'm gonna go over there to pick her up. Because sometimes she takes forever just to call me. And that's what happened all the time. It just takes forever for her to dial me. And so yeah, so that's it. And I'm just gonna go over there and I will see you later. Okay, guys. Oopsie. Okay, guys, let's try this on. Okay, hold on. This is really hot. Hold on, guys. Okay, first, hi guys. I am in the car right now. I just need to turn the AC on. Okay, I'm gonna try this thing. Okay, hold on, why this music is... How to shut this off? I don't even know how to shut this off. Okay. Okay, that is done. This Mirror Pure, the one for the car, they sent me this product, so I'm going to try this here. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna use this and I will let you know how it feels. And yeah, if you're driving, and then if it's, you know, I will tell you if it's worth it. This is for the neck. Oh, this is nicer. Okay, I'll do that. It's very soft. Okay, let me do. Oh my God, this is really soft. This is for the back over here, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, this is for the back right here. Okay, this is nice. Oh my God, it feels good. It's very soft, guys. It is very soft. Oh my God. Yeah. Thank you so much for sending this to me. And yeah, so I appreciate it so much. And you guys, if you're interested, please click the link down below. They sell it, you know, I think, but you know, I will explain it to you writing here the original price and the price that they're selling this. But yeah, hi guys, we are going to my sister-in-law, but the Pure Remix, I don't forget the name of it. There's no name. But the pillow that is go with the back with the car, my mother-in-law is trying it right now, and she will let us know what she felt about it for the whole ride to my sister-in-law. So what is it, ma'am? Is it comfortable for now in the ride?
Very
running?
Comfortable. So far.
It's not hurting the phone?
Not hurting me, no.
Okay.
I guess it's a soft, you know.
It's very soft.
It's very soft, yeah. So it's not, you don't feel the bump or the movement that much.
You know. So which is good. And then I will let Tommy try it too, so
Yeah.
that he knows. I'm still waiting, guys. She's still inside. I'm here already 20 minutes outside and she's still not out. Ole mole, ole mole. The tree in the back fell down. It's in our backyard here. Hi guys. We had dinner. I need this light to change to white because the light is yellow. Anyway, we just had dinner. It's 7:19 already in the afternoon, in the evening, and oh my god, so tired, guys. I mean, I'm really sleepy, and driving back here, guys, is like really, like I don't know how to explain it. It's really, the traffic is crazy. So, you know, when the traffic is crazy, you're tired, makes you more double tired, like double, like I'm sleepy, I'm so fucking sleepy. I try my best to just like talk to myself because she was sleeping, so I just kind of just try to talk to myself and la 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 la, singing with the music. And yeah, we got her like 5:30, I think that was 5:30, I think that was 5. I like this bed because it's, I like the bed because it's air, I can bounce. I like it. Anyway, guys,